Hey friends, it's Awilda here. Thank you so much for joining me. So today I wanted to share with you guys a very quick little tour of TJMaxx and HomeGoods. Recently my husband and I went out and we spent the whole day shopping and just hanging out, having fun. And I wanted to share with you guys really quickly a few things that I saw over at TJMaxx, followed by some items that I found over at HomeGoods. Also, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Again, this is Hip and Creative, where I share motivational videos on cleaning, DIY, home decor, and so much more. And if you like those type of videos, please consider subscribing and also clicking that notification bell so you'll be notified of when I post future videos. I also wanted to get in here really quickly and just say thank you so much for 12,000 subscribers. I am super excited and I am planning on doing a small giveaway. I am not too sure what it is that I'm going to be doing, but I thought I'd just come on here and just tell you guys that I am going to be doing a giveaway soon, and I'm not too sure what it is, that type of giveaway I wanted to do. So if you have any suggestions, please leave them down in the comments down below and I'll consider some of the ideas and possibly do one for this upcoming 12K giveaway. At this point, I'm just going to stop talking and just share the video with you guys. It's just basically going to be some music followed by some video footage. I had recorded some audio, but unfortunately YouTube doesn't like that it has music in the background from the store, and so I had to do a voiceover. So please forgive that I had to do a voiceover, but copyright laws don't allow me to share video content with copyright music in the background.
You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotion.
Let me know down in the comments below, what kind of items do you like to look for when you go to the store? Do you go straight to the holiday and seasonal decor? Do you just go shopping and look at everything? I personally like to look at the seasonal decor, whereas my husband, he likes to look at almost everything in the store. Sometimes we'll spend a little too long in certain stores. But I'm just curious, do you have any stores that are your favorites to shop, or are you more of a go in, get what you need and leave type of person? Let me know in the comments down below. I just realized that while I was at HomeGoods and TJMaxx, I don't really have a lot of Thanksgiving decor out. I do have some for Halloween, but the majority of my decorating is for Christmas. And I was just curious, do you decorate for all seasons? Do you just primarily decorate for one focused Christmas or a focused Halloween? Or do you basically decorate for all the holidays? Let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite holiday to decorate for, if you do decorate, and if you don't, why don't you decorate? It doesn't have to be Christmas, it could be any holiday. Just curious. So yeah, let me know down in the comments below.
I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the light, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call on me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars.
love going to HomeGoods just to kind of look for inspiration for home items like home decor or just decorating in general. They have such amazing things like this outdoor patio sign. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's a little too high for my price range, so I did show it to my husband and he did say he was going to attempt to make one for me. So I'm hoping to make a video showing you guys how to make your own. This one was over $100 and that's a little too steep for me, so we're trying to find something that's similar and a little more affordable. As you can see here, they have some really cute Halloween decorations out, as well as some mixture of like fall and Thanksgiving. When it comes to Halloween, one of the items I absolutely love is cauldrons. I just have this thing about cauldrons. I think they're really cool and really neat, and I just have so much fun collecting them. That's just one of my things I do for Halloween. So you might see a couple of cauldrons if you ever come over to my house as part of my home Halloween decor.
We've been here before. A long story short, you walked out the door. Gotta get over myself. The drinks, they don't help. I've got to at least try. We're spinning out of control, and I've just got to know, if I follow, will it turn the ship around? If I let go, will it leave me here to drown? Gotta get over myself, this can't be farewell. I've got to at least try. If I follow, will you turn the ship around as I'm slowly sinking down? Just another night, just another fight. Will it be alright? 'Cause now you're out of sight. Gotta get over myself. The drinks, they don't help. I've got to at least try. I'm breaking up inside. Got to swallow my pride. If I follow, will it turn the ship around? If I follow.
So I'm just curious, do you have any favorite items you love to collect? My husband, he likes drinking tea, but he also likes collecting elephants, whereas I'm more of a kind of like a plain Jane person when it comes to my everyday decor. I stick to the basics like white or black or grays. I really don't deviate too much, with the exception of holidays, which is when I truly go out and decorate a lot, especially for Halloween and Christmas. So thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. If you did, you are an awesome rock star. I truly appreciate it. I do enjoy these types of videos, and I hope you do too. Obviously, if you stay to the very end, you do enjoy looking at videos like this as well. Let me know in the comments down below what other videos you would like for me to share, and whenever I go out, I will try my very best to record. I am working on trying to get away from being a little shy when it comes to going out to the stores and recording. It was a little difficult for me to record all the stores I went to because there was a lot of people around, and I felt a little embarrassed and kind of overwhelmed. But I am working on getting better with that. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to leave me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also click on that notification bell so you'll be notified of future videos when I post them. And if you know of anyone that's like these types of videos, make sure to share my video with them and maybe have them join me as well. I really do appreciate you guys stopping by. And until next time, guys, I hope you all stay safe. God bless, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.